Welcome guys, this is KOK Party Favors. I'm coming to you to share some of my gift baskets for Christmas. This is one. I'm so proud of myself because I cello wrapped that one. I have this one. I'm going to have to get some ribbon to finish off some of my gifts. And these are two small ones for the guys. I'm gonna start on my doing some toys, some toy baskets. Okay, let's see. I got this one here. This is another of the unicorn backpacks. I have two of those that I did. This one, I have to get a bow for this one. All right, guys. Those of you that are out doing your Christmas gift baskets, let's keep going. All right, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.